Hi everybody, this is Miss Lucia from the Children's Department. Please join Julian and me today in making your very own wormery. So just take a little bit of dirt and put it inside the jar. And now can you please pat it down with your hand? There you go, pat it down. And now we'll take a little bit of sand. Probably best to do it with our hand. Yep, and we're gonna just layer it right on top. So what do we have? And soil right on top, right? Okay. Let's go find those worms. Let's put the worms inside the wormery. We've got 3 nice ones. And here, take some grass clippings and put that right on top.